Hi everyone, in front of me is Ulefone Note 8P, and let me share with you how to how to turn on the demo mode on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and as you can see here, we've got Developer options. If you cannot find it in your device, no worries, we just recorded the video of how to enable developer options, so let's check it and get back to this tutorial. So let's enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the option System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which we can apply, which we can activate. So after tapping on this switcher, you will enable the demo mode, so we will activate that, but it is not visible. So if you want to see the changes, actually, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the status bar icons changed. They are full right now. So for example, the battery is full, but previously it was something about 30%. So if you would like to hide the demo mode, all you have to do is simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, everything gets back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it off also just by tapping on the switcher. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Ulefone Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.